100 synonyms of most commonly used words starting with letter A. Abandon. Synonyms are forsake, desert, leave behind. Example sentence. He had to abandon his plans due to a sudden emergency. Abate. Synonyms are diminish, decrease, lessen. Example sentence. The intensity of the storm abated as it moved further away. Abbreviate. Synonyms are shorten, condense, reduce. Example sentence. You need to abbreviate your essay to meet the word limit. Abhor. Synonyms are detest, hate, loathe. Example sentence. She abhorred the idea of living in a crowded city. Abide. Synonyms are endure, tolerate, sustain. Example sentence. She couldn't abide the thought of being alone on her birthday. Ability. Synonyms are capability, competence, skill. Example sentence. His ability to solve complex problems is highly appreciated. Abnormal. Synonyms are unusual, peculiar, anomalous. Example sentence. The doctor said that the test results were abnormal. Abound. Synonyms are overflow, thrive, flourish. Example sentence. The park abounds with a variety of birds and animals. Above. Synonyms are over, beyond, higher. Example sentence. The temperature is above average for this time of year. Abundant. Synonyms are plentiful, ample, copious. Example sentence. The region is known for its abundant natural resources. Accelerate. Synonyms are speed up, hasten, quickened. Example sentence. The car accelerated to overtake the other vehicles. Accentuate. Synonyms are emphasize, highlight, stress. Example sentence. The artist used bold strokes to accentuate the beauty of the landscape. Accept. Synonyms are acknowledge, admit, allow. Example sentence. She accepted the job offer without hesitation. Access. Synonyms are entry, admission, passage. Example sentence. The library provides access to a vast collection of books. Accommodate. Synonyms are adjust, adapt, suit. Example sentence. The hotel can accommodate up to 500 guests at a time. Accomplish. Synonyms are achieve, attain, complete. Example sentence. She managed to accomplish her goal despite facing several obstacles. Accrue. Synonyms are accumulate, amass, build up. Example sentence. Interest on the savings account accrues on a monthly basis. Accurate. Synonyms are precise, correct, exact. Example sentence. The report provides accurate information about the company's performance. Accuse. Synonyms are charge, blame, condemn. Example sentence. He was accused of stealing the company's confidential information. Achieve. Synonyms are accomplish, succeed, realize. Example sentence. With hard work and determination, you can achieve your dreams. Acknowledge. Synonyms are recognize, admit, accept. Example sentence. He acknowledged his mistake and apologized for it. Acquire. Synonyms are obtain, get, gain. Example sentence. He has acquired a vast knowledge of different cultures. Active. Synonyms are energetic, dynamic, vigorous. Example sentence. She leads an active lifestyle by engaging in various sports activities. Adapt. Synonyms are adjust, modify, reconfigure. Example sentence. He had to adapt to the new work environment quickly. Adequate. Synonyms are sufficient, enough, ample. Example sentence. The supply of food and water was adequate for the trip. Adhere. Synonyms are stick, cling, adhere to. Example sentence. The glue should adhere to the surface within a few seconds. Adjoin. Synonyms are join, connect, border. Example sentence. The park adjoins the river and provides a scenic view. Administer. Synonyms are manage, direct, supervise. Example sentence. The principal administers the school's operations efficiently. Admire. Synonyms are adore, esteem, appreciate. Example sentence. She admires her mother for her strength and resilience. Admit. Synonyms are acknowledge, confess, allow. Example sentence. He had to admit that he was wrong in his judgment. Adopt. Synonyms are embrace, take up, follow. Example sentence. The company decided to adopt a new marketing strategy to attract more customers. Advance. Synonyms are progress, improvement, development. Example sentence. The advances in technology have transformed the way we live our lives. Advantage. Synonyms are benefit, profit, gain. Example sentence. Having a strong network of contacts can be an advantage in a competitive job market. Adventure. Synonyms are excitement, thrill, risk. Example sentence. Going on a solo trip is an adventure for some people. Adversary. Synonyms are enemy, opponent, rival. Example sentence. The athlete saw his main adversary as a challenge to overcome. Adverse. Synonyms are unfavorable, negative, hostile. Example sentence. The company's profits were adversely affected by the recession. Advocate. Synonyms are supporter, proponent, defender. Example sentence. The environmentalist was a strong advocate for the preservation of wildlife. Affable. Synonyms are friendly, amiable, sociable. Example sentence. The new neighbor was affable and quickly made friends with everyone. Effect. Synonyms are influence, impact, change. Example sentence. The weather can affect our mood and behavior. Affirm. Synonyms are confirm, declare, assert. Example sentence. The witness affirmed that he saw the suspect near the crime scene. Affix. Synonyms are attach, fix, fasten. Example sentence. You need to affix your signature on the document before submitting it. Afraid. Synonyms are scared, fearful, anxious. Example sentence. She was afraid of the dark and always kept the lights on. Aftermath. Synonyms are consequence, result, outcome. Example sentence. The aftermath of the earthquake was devastating for the region. Against. Synonyms are opposed, contrary, anti. Example sentence. He was against the idea of raising taxes on small businesses. Age. Synonyms are period, time, era. Example sentence. The golden age of Hollywood produced some of the greatest films of all time. Aggravate. Synonyms are worsen, exacerbate, intensify. Example sentence. The lack of sleep can aggravate stress and anxiety. Agile. Synonyms are nimble, quick, spry. Example sentence. The gymnast's agile movements impressed the judges. Agree. Synonyms are consent, concur, approve. Example sentence. The team agreed to the new terms and conditions of the contract. Aid. Synonyms are assistant, helper, supporter. Example sentence. The teacher's aide helped the students with their assignments. Aim. Synonyms are goal, objective, purpose. Example sentence. The aim of the project is to develop a sustainable energy source. Air. Synonyms are atmosphere, ambience, environment. Example sentence. The air quality in the city has deteriorated due to pollution. Alert. Synonyms are watchful, vigilant, attentive. Example sentence. The security guard was always alert and ready to respond to any emergency. Alight. Synonyms are land, touch down, descend. Example sentence. The bird alighted on the branch and began to sing. Align. Synonyms are arrange, organize, position. Example sentence. The company's goals should align with its mission and values. Allay. Synonyms are ease, alleviate, relieve. Example sentence. The medicine can allay the symptoms of the flu. Allegation. Synonyms are claim, accusation, charge. Example sentence. The politician denied the allegation of corruption against him. Allow. Synonyms are permit, authorize, grant. Example sentence. The school allows students to use their phones during lunchtime. Ally. Synonyms are partner, associate, friend. Example sentence. The two countries became allies to combat a common threat. Allowed. Synonyms are audibly, loudly, clearly. Example sentence. He read the poem aloud to his class with great expression. Alter. Synonyms are change, modify, transform. Example sentence. The tailor can alter the dress to fit your body size. Although. Synonyms are despite, notwithstanding, however. Example sentence. Although she was tired, she managed to complete the task on time. Always. Synonyms are constantly, perpetually, continuously. Example sentence. The sun always rises in the east and sets in the west. Amaze. Synonyms are astonish, impress, startle. Example sentence. The magician's tricks never failed to amaze the audience. Ambiguous. Synonyms are unclear, vague, doubtful. Example sentence. The meaning of the statement was ambiguous and open to interpretation. Ambitious. Synonyms are aspiring, driven, goal-oriented. Example sentence. The young entrepreneur had ambitious plans to expand his business. Amend. Synonyms are modify, revise, improve. Example sentence. You need to amend the report to include the latest data. Amiable. Synonyms are friendly, pleasant, cordial. Example sentence. The salesperson was amiable and helped the customer choose the right product. Ample. Synonyms are abundant, plenty, sufficient. Example sentence. The hotel provides ample parking space for its guests. Amplify. Synonyms are enhance, increase, strengthen. Example sentence. The sound system can amplify the volume of the music. Amuse. Synonyms are entertain, delight, charm. Example sentence. The comedian's jokes never failed to amuse the audience. Ancestor. Synonyms are forebear, predecessor, antecedent. Example sentence. He traced his ancestry to a distant relative who lived in the 18th century. Anchor. Synonyms are secure, fix, fasten. Example sentence. The ship was anchored at the port to load and unload cargo. Ancient. Synonyms are old, antique, prehistoric. Example sentence. The ancient ruins of the temple attract tourists from all over the world. Angelic. Synonyms are divine, heavenly, seraphic. Example sentence. The child's innocent smile made her look angelic. Angry. Synonyms are mad, furious, incensed. Example sentence. He was angry at his boss for not giving him a promotion. Animosity. Synonyms are hostility, hatred, enmity. Example sentence. There was animosity between the two countries due to a territorial dispute. Ankle. Synonyms are joint, tendon, ligament. Example sentence. She twisted her ankle while jogging in the park. Announce. Synonyms are declare, proclaim, publish. Example sentence. The company will announce the launch of its new product next week. Annoy. Synonyms are irritate, bother, vex. Example sentence. The sound of the drilling annoyed the residents in the neighborhood. Annual. Synonyms are yearly, regular, annualized. Example sentence. The company holds its annual meeting in the first week of January. Anxious. Synonyms are worried, nervous, apprehensive. Example sentence. She was anxious about the outcome of her job interview. Apathetic. Synonyms are indifferent, unconcerned, uninterested. Example sentence. The politician's apathetic attitude towards the environment angered the public. Apologize. Synonyms are say sorry, express regret, make amends. Example sentence. He apologized for his mistake and promised not to repeat it. Apparent. Synonyms are clear, obvious, evident. Example sentence. The apparent reason for his absence was his ill health. Appeal. Synonyms are attract, entice, interest. Example sentence. The new fashion line has a wide appeal among young adults. Appear. Synonyms are seem, look, show up. Example sentence. The sky appears clear and sunny after the rain. Applaud. Synonyms are praise, commend, clap. Example sentence. The audience applauded the actor's performance on stage. Appreciate. Synonyms are value, admire, recognize. Example sentence. She appreciated the effort put in by the team to complete the project. Approach. Synonyms are method, strategy, technique. Example sentence. The teacher used a different approach to teach the topic to the students. Appropriate. Synonyms are suitable, fitting, proper. Example sentence. The dress code for the event requires appropriate attire. Approval. Synonyms are consent, authorization, sanction. Example sentence. The project was given approval by the committee after a thorough review. Approximate. Synonyms are estimated, rough, close. Example sentence. The approximate cost of the project was calculated to be around $500,000. Arbitrary. Synonyms are random, unreasonable, capricious. Example sentence. The decision to close the factory was seen as arbitrary and unfair by the employees. Architecture. Synonyms are design, structure, framework. Example sentence. The architecture of the building was inspired by ancient Roman buildings. Ardent. Synonyms are passionate, enthusiastic, fervent. Example sentence. The ardent supporters of the football team cheered loudly at the stadium. Argument. Synonyms are debate, dispute, contention. Example sentence. The argument between the two colleagues was resolved through mediation. Arise. Synonyms are occur, emerge, spring up. Example sentence. The need for a new policy arose due to the changing circumstances. Arm. Synonyms are limb, appendage, branch. Example sentence. The soldier's arm was injured during the battle. Aroma. Synonyms are fragrance, scent, odor. Example sentence. The aroma of fresh coffee filled the room and woke him up. Arrange. Synonyms are organize, order, systematize. Example sentence. 100 synonyms of most commonly used words starting with letter A. She arranged the flowers in a vase to create a beautiful centerpiece.